Hello and welcome. I want to show you how to use this POS profit calculator. If you are a POS agent or a merchant that is using any of the popular POS machines in Nigeria like OPay, MoneyPoints and others, you can use this POS profit calculator to calculate your daily profits and see every other detail that you need to know about your transaction for the day. For you to see this POS profit calculator, you will need to go to the website, which is www.posprofit.com.ng. www.posprofit.com.ng. So when you go to the website, you are going to see the calculator. It looks like this. Now to use it, the steps are described under the calculator. But let me just show you how to use it. The first thing you do is that you come to transaction type. The transaction type here, you click on it, then you select the type of transaction you want to put the data. Before you start calculating, you must have arranged the book where you wrote down your transactions and charges for the day. So you have your book where you recorded your transactions and charges. So you bring the book, and then let's say that the first transaction you did for the day is 2,000 naira and it is withdrawal. So you select withdrawal, then you put the amount, which is 2,000 naira. Now you put the amount you collected from the customer as your charge, let's say 100 naira. Now when you put it, you now click on add transaction. This is add transaction. So we clear the space and store the other information, the one you have put. It will store it and then clear the space for you to put another transaction. Now let's say that the second transaction you did is also withdrawal. So you still leave here as withdrawal. So you come here, let's say that it is 5,000 naira withdrawal and you collected the same 100 naira from this customer. Now you click on add transaction. Once you put the amount and the charge, you click on add transaction to put another one. So let's say that the third one is transfer. You click on transfer. Now you click on transaction amount. Let's say it is transfer of 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. Now the amount you collected as your charge, assuming you collected 200 naira from your customer, you put it. Now you click on add transaction again. This is a sample. Let's assume that you did only these 3 transactions in a day. So you have put everything, the amount of the transactions and the amount of the charge you collected from your customer. So you have put everything. Now after adding the last one, after adding the last transaction, you now click calculate daily profits. Now you click on it, it will calculate and give you the answer. So in the results, it is going to show you the total withdrawal you did that day. This is 3,000 naira here, 7,000 naira here. Now it will give you the total transfers you did that day. It gives you total charge that you collected from customers that day. That is total charge. Now it will now give you the total bank charge, because as you do transactions, your POS provider will be charging you per transaction. So the total transaction, the total charge that charged you that day, it is going to show you how much it is, how much that they debited you for your transaction that day. So you see it here. So for this one, the total debit is 55 naira. That is the total charge debit that the person's bank or POS provider charges the person for the transactions. Is this 55 naira? Now the daily profit. The system will now calculate the daily profit, which is the amount that actually belongs to the POS operator or the agent. So for you to get this total daily profit, it will have to subtract the bank charge or your POS provider charge. So when you subtract it, it will now give you the total profit that belongs to you. Okay, so which is this. So this is how to use this POS profit calculator. If you have, just get a book where you recorded all your transactions and input all the transactions and the charges you collected from the customer, and then you click calculate your daily profits, and it will give you all the results that you need. Okay, so this is how to use it.